We are always overwhelmed when it comes to replying or answering the questions of our valuable and esteemed participants of our training and development program. It has been noticed that the employer who give enough flexibility and space to their employees to participate in the training and development program wanted to understand how they can see and measure the changes in the employees who have undergone the training. Yes, there are different metrics, I would say. There are different tools and techniques which trainer use after the training session is completed to understand whether the employee is doing fine. But from the employer perspective, definitely there are few ways through which employer can also judge whether the training was effective and successful. The first very important thing which you will see and you will feel the changes, the productivity. Productivity in terms of if somebody from the sales background has undergone the training, then you will understand the sales figure is now rising up. Somebody from the background of back-end operation has undergone the training, the attitude and the approach towards work will definitely enhance. The productivity automatically will be developed and people will be more efficient towards their work. The second important thing which you will notice is life of an error is now shortened. When I talk about life of an error, it means, it does not mean that we will not be putting any errors there in the work. It means that we will definitely do mistakes as we are human. While learning, we have to be more efficient, but I would say learning and mistakes are equally important because we learn when we make mistakes. So errors are sometimes, I would say, very costly when we talk about the business perspective. So we will try our level best to make the changes in such a manner that the employee is more productive, at the same time does not repeat those errors which he or she is doing before the training and development program. The third and I would say most important thing which can be easily noticed is the behavior. The behavior of employee will change. Yes, we bet on this. Reason why? Because when somebody or any employee who has undergone the training is being equally equipped with all those facilities, which is very much important when we talk about working in an organization. The behavior is not very promising. I would say at the same time it's not very convincing when we talk about working in an organization. This behavior will change because the live training sessions are designed in such a manner with such modules that we try to transform the thinking process and the approach of any individual. I will like to share an example of our recent training and development program. The employee was very keen to switch the job, which is very, I would say, common in today's scenario. The approach which we try to transform during the training and development program really worked in such a manner that employee opened up in front of the employer and shared his, I would say, requirements to work in more productive way. They had a cool, I would say, and open discussion with open transparency where they could have understood that the employee who is sitting in front of them is very loyal, wanted to continue with them, but have some requirements which needs to be met in order to provide him the career growth. Similarly, at the same time, we design our training and development program to equip everybody in such a way that the training is effective and they should not feel in near future that they are a person who need to undergo training and development program regularly. We are looking forward to connect with you in case if you are one of them who is looking forward to enhance their employees in terms of soft skills, in terms of their behavior approach, in terms of team management, or it be leadership style. Let's connect. See you soon.